Alright, checking in. We made it to the meeting point. I have done my duty. I have made it here. I drove my time. It's over. We at this gas station with the McDonald's, the meeting point where we're supposed to meet everybody at. It's time to eat. They should be leaving now to meet me. When I called them, they were supposed to be leaving out when I was passing like 15-20 minutes ago. So they should be about leaving. You know, people don't leave exactly when they say, so I'm giving them some time. I'll check back in with you when we meet them here and we get back on the road. Continue this ride. I think we got 3.5 more hours. We just did 3.5. We got 3.5 more, so we'll be there. Okay, we looking at what we got, what we working with. What we working with? Okay. We got the kitchen. Let me look at the kitchen. It's my count. Okay, boom, there you go. Okay, we got the living room, that's the door. We got the kitchen. Somebody call in the chat. We got a dining room area. Girls, how do we? Oh, and we got the pool out here. It's dark. I guess I have to show this area tomorrow. They're gonna have to take some of our leaves out of our little pool. We got our pool.
Don't lean on that.
Don't lean, y'all.
Nothing. I just gave her the.
We in the kitchen and we can't find the turkey, the ham, and the chicken was left at my job. So we ain't gonna have no food tomorrow if we don't figure out our food situation. In a minute. We about to go to a store.
Leah, where's the ham? I gave you the ham. I gave it to you. Yes, I did. I gave you a beefy the ham last night. Where the ham at? I forgot the turkey. You did. It's okay.
They forgot the ham, the turkey. I forgot the chicken. We ain't got no meat, y'all.
Sisters. That's why y'all actually the wet.
But it's all good. So I'm checking in right quick at the house. Y'all, we found the turkey. We found the turkey. And we got some other stuff from Go to Corral, y'all, because the stores was closed. But we making progress here. We got rolls, turkey, ham. We got some chicken over here. I'm not sure what that is over there. We got some biscuits, breakfast stuff in the oven. We got some other food prepped over here. We got the noodles for the macaroni over here. Well, in this motherfucker cooking, 'cause our food ain't done yet. We ain't ate Thanksgiving, yeah. We ain't ate Thanksgiving, yeah. Our plate's still in the oven, and we ain't ate Thanksgiving yet because our food's still in the fucking oven. Because we about to eat in about 30 minutes. Finally made it. 7:03, we finally made it.
Where everybody at?
We finally did it, because I almost, y'all, we did it. Through the storm and the rain.
You want the 49?
We made it. We made it.
What's getting a natural life? Y'all.
Nerf war time. I'm getting ready. Burger, let me see your gun, baby girl. Okay. I'm ready for the Nerf war, baby. I got my glasses on already. I got my vest on, suited up, booted up. Baby, we ready. We getting it ready. Nerf war. Coming up. It's going down. Cuz got the big gun. Ready. Ready. Let me see y'all go. Hey, Nerf war ready. Nerf war ready. Hey, hey. Nerf war ready. Hey, hey. Nerf war ready. Hey, hey, hey. Nerf, 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 Nerf. Hey. All right, y'all.
it's a fair fight. You always gotta be prepared for the enemy.
Trying to take you. Only way to go. And so
Please look at the porch chart. This is what happens when you do extracurricular activities. Guess what happens to the pork chop?
So get me up this fucking
Or the grill.
What happened?
Man, that shit smells hard. It smells hard.
Just put it outside in the garage.
That's what happened when we do extracurricular activities on the grill. It end up charred. We about to play charge into the game. They here right now. They don't know they about to pull a card. Everybody about to pull a card in here. Well, I'm about to pull the first card, and if whatever it says, if it's for you, you gonna have to drink. Period. That's what's finna happen. Okay. Okay.